If you've ever been told that you look tired or sick due to dark circles or bags under your eyes, even after getting a good night's rest, there's a new laser procedure that could restore your youthful, alert appearance once again.
You know, I want to know what is a Festoon, and then what's the difference between a Festoon and just those under eye bags?
I think these are great questions. So first of all, I'll say that, as we age, there's changes that happen to our faces, right? Mm-hmm. And what's not fair, I think, is sometimes that we can look tired when we're not tired. And a lot of that has to do with the area around the eyes. When we see each other, our brain sort of scans the other person's face, and we look at each other's sort of eyes and mouth. We go back and forth in between those areas. Those are the two most powerful parts of the face for nonverbal communication. Around the eye area, as we age, we can have puffiness appear underneath the eyes, and those are the lower eyelid bags. And then sometimes on the cheek region, we can see a swelling on the cheek, and those are called festoons. Lower eyelid bags are really due to more age-related conditions. Sometimes in certain families, it can show up earlier. Festoons are really related to sun damage to a great degree. So those years in the sun when we weren't protecting ourselves, so that actually can come home to roost, and that's why we see a lot of these festoons occurring.
And now, are these inevitable? They're going to happen to everyone as we age?
Not necessarily. I mean, the festoons really have more of a genesis in sun exposure, but a lot of us, we thought there was such a thing as a healthy tan, but that was really a bad bill of goods that we were sold when we were younger. Because we had a lot of sun exposure, we do see them a lot in the world. We see a lot of people with this sort of sun damage that cause festoons.
Do festoons, obviously, they just don't go away by themselves?
Correct, yeah. Unfortunately, once the damage is done, it kind of stays there. And interestingly, certain days, they might be worse or better. And usually in the morning, they're worse. And then depending on what we're eating, sometimes they can swell a little bit more. But there's always something kind of in the background with those festoons.